Hey, my name is Alisha Askew with eXp Realty, and I am sure you are checking out this video because you are curious to know what score do lenders use when they are looking to get you approved for buying your new home sweet home. Well, I'm excited to share with you all about credit. So let's just talk about credit and what is it and how does it play a role in home ownership. So, yes, I know everyone has to start somewhere, and I can promise you that most people that begin their home buying journey, they do have to do some personal growth and some self-discovery on their journey to home ownership. So, you are not alone. The great news is that credit can be improved, and there are some simple tricks that you can do to boost up your score. So, when it comes to credit, mortgage lenders are looking at your credit history, your credit habits, and any kind of discrepancies that are on your credit report. Out of all three credit bureaus that report on your credit, the mortgage lenders are looking at your middle number to determine what score that they will offer an approval for you to be able to purchase the home. The reason why lenders have to pull credit is because there are investors who is loaning this money for you to be able to achieve your dream of home ownership. And of course, those investors want to be sure that they're going to get their money back because they're investing in you. So they want that return on investment. So that's one of the major reasons why credit plays a role in you being able to purchase a home. So there is a sweet spot when it comes to getting an approval. And that magic number is 640. But great news. Paul Carini with Dash Home Loans works very closely with a lot of first-time homebuyers and homebuyers in general who have a credit score under 640, and he has been able to get them approved with no problems at all. So let's just talk about if you have a score under 640, what do you do? There is a process where the lender will take a little more thorough deep dive into your credit background and just make sure that all I's are dotted and all T's are crossed so that they can underwrite you for an approval. And what they may look at is an approval with conditions. So that may mean if your credit score is under 640, that the lender requires you to put additional money in escrow so that they can have security and certainty that if anything happens later down the road that you are unable to make payments, they have this savings account beefed up so that can take care of any kind of shortcomings. But I do want to make a major disclaimer. So the higher your credit score, the lower your interest rate. And credit score plays a huge role in interest rate. And interest rate plays a huge role in your monthly mortgage payment. And your monthly mortgage payment makes a huge role in how much home you can purchase. So, with that being said, it is very important to analyze your credit and to look at where you currently stand. Everyone's home buying journey is unique. What may be a no-brainer for one person might not be a good option for another person. So for example, someone with a lower credit score may see there is more benefit of acting now and pursuing home ownership while beefing up their escrow account and taking advantage of the low interest rates that we currently have rather than waiting a year and trying to work on their score, and interest rates may have increased and also home values increase as well, so that they are actually losing out on the benefits of home ownership by waiting an extra year and trying to boost their score. So if you're curious, where does my credit score currently lie? Paul Carini with Dash Home Loans, he has a great and resourceful tool on his website where you can do a soft pull inquiry and you can learn about your credit score and the next steps that you need to take in order to achieve home ownership. Or you can visit annualcreditreport.com backed by the Federal Trade Administration that allows you to obtain your credit report for free one time per year. So do not be afraid to get up and close and personal with your credit score. The journey to home ownership is truly a journey about self-discovery and personal growth. And by the time that you have the keys delivered and presented to you for your new home sweet home, it will be a rewarding journey that was well worth it. Feel free to give me a call, send me a text message, or even send me an email if you're curious to learn about credit and how that plays a role in your journey to home ownership. Like, subscribe, and share this with someone else who may be thinking about home ownership so that you're not enduring this journey alone. And also make sure that you check out the videos about your finances, about your savings, and about your salary to make sure that you have everything that you need to know prepared and to begin your journey to home ownership.